Hello everyone, welcome to AA Software Technologies. Today's session I will showcase the project 2. The project 2 have the security risks, vulnerabilities, duplicate codes, etc. I am doing we are doing the static analysis using SonarQube, and I will showcase the report for this source code. First, I will showcase the source code. What is the source code? Need to go to SRC, then my Java inheriting in two main class, two objects. First, I will showcase login child class. The login child class, just we are checking. uh, in login child class, just we are checking the login parameters. Okay, and what we are checking means we are hard coding the values like username and password. Here, what they are mentioning like username. I'm directly passing hard coded value like admin, and password we are passing as pass at 1 to 3. It is a security breach, right? It will throw security hotspot. It will throw the error related to security hotspot. Okay, this is about login class. In login class, just we are calling username and password. That's it. In hard-coded format. Then we have duplicate login class. In duplicate login class, just I'm duplicating the code. Okay, the multiple times. See, the previously login service.java as well. We have the same code, right? We have same code. I'm duplicating this code once again. That present in duplicate Java. Then in user service.java, just I am calculating the age of the person. Okay, it is a one child class. It's the user service. In this child class, I am logging. I am writing logic just for calculating age. Okay. Now these child classes were taking in main class scanner package. Then the class name I provided as hack. It is a class name. Then I am printing. Okay. In this statement using system.print, I'm printing the input like what is the username, like it is asking the input. Okay. Then what is enter the password. Okay. Then using login service child class, I'm creating the object to reference to like parent class, like reference to this main class. Okay. I'm creating the object for referencing the main class, and I'm calling the parameters. Okay. We remember we passed the hard-coded values, right, in the login service that Java, like username and password hard-coded values. Using if condition, I'm calling this username password is equal or not. If whatever the password we are calling and what are the password we prompted here, it is equal, then it is printing login success, otherwise it is failure. Similarly duplicate as well, duplicate as well, I am creating object, I am calling that object here. Okay, like using if else condition, like whether whatever the data we are prompting it is equal or not. That, yeah, that's about the main class. This is about the source code. Then I'm coming back. Form.xml. I'll show param. Yeah, it is a yeah model version like a group ID and artifact ID and version. And next we'll go for dependencies. Here I'm installing Jupyter. Uh, why need to install Jupyter means like for compiling the test code using JUnit test cases. So for that's why it's required Jupyter. In dependency configurations, I configure Jupyter and its version as well. Then plugins. The first plugin is Maven compiler plugin. Maven compiler plugin it will compiles like it will compiles the test code test cases. So for compiling we require compiler plugin. Yeah, and next plugin is Maven Surefire plugin. It is used for test executions. Okay, for this yeah we are calling the plugin as plugin version and the path. And JaCoCo plugin. JaCoCo plugin basically it is used for the code coverage. Like it will show what is the code quality, right? It is like 50%, 60%, 80%. For getting that quality of the source code, we need to integrate JaCoCo plugin. For integrating JaCoCo plugin, we need to we need to call what is the agent and what is the version of JaCoCo plugin. This about form.xml. Now I will execute mvn clean, mvn clean test. It will test JUnit test cases, right? Mvn clean test means see it have the success for test cases. There is no failure. Then mvn clean package. It builds the package from your source code, like it is artifact of your project. Okay, the artifacts of your project is stored under target directory. Yeah, it is an artifact of your package within jar form. Then I am storing this. I am storing the source code in your local Maven local repository. For that, we have called mvn clean deploy. Sorry, it is installed. Yeah, it is showed the source code in Maven local repository. The Maven local repository part is .m2/repository. It is a folder. It is present in home directory. Then now I built package. I stored the package in local repository of the Maven. Then what I need to do now? I need to do static code analysis, right? Using SonarQube. For doing static code analysis, first need to go for SonarQube UI. Need to browse with the SonarQube type node IP colon 9000 port. After that, need to go for project sections. Then need to click on local project. Then need to mention what is display name. I am providing display name as SonarQube analysis. Then I am providing by default branch it is mine. Now we will get token. Using this token, we can authenticate to this project. We first will call the project key and project name and project and the host URL and token. Using this token, we are authenticating to this project. I am copying this. Then I am going inside project. Like, yeah, I went inside project. Then I am executing this command. Yeah, ambient clean sonar means it is a goal for doing static code analysis based on your source code. Then project ID key, host URL and token. Using this token, we are authenticating to this project. Yeah, static code analysis is done. We can see the details in project. Just go for project. I created project at SonarQube analysis. It will show overview of the project. See, the source code quality is only 41%. Okay, it is achieved based on the JaCoCo plugin and it have no duplicate values. Okay, and it is a security grade A means there is no the major vulnerabilities present. A means okay, maintainability. It have 13 open issues. If you click on this, it will show the brief what issues which got. It will show everything. See, I got issue like the replace this use of system out by logger. Yeah, I got this issues. You can check with developer and you can fix this issue accordingly. Then we have security hotspot means we have the major security vulnerabilities, right? Like we remember we passed the hotspot values, right? Okay, so that's why it is shown the security one it is shown security hotspot is 3 means it is very high impact. Okay, need to review with your developer and need to fix it. If you click on this, it will redirect to security page. It will show what are security hotspot which found. Like see here we have duplicate code and also we are passing the hard coded values, right? So that's why it is categorized as security breach. Okay, so that's why it is provided the security hotspot as E means it is high critical. Need to review with your developer and need to fix it issue. It will show everything like what is the quality ticket. It is passed that file. It is passed in my case, so it is showing it is passed. Then what is the security? The security is like yeah, it is showing me A grade means there is no the major vulnerabilities like then maintainability, then security review. Okay, like the the details into review. Like I'm passing out for values, right? So it is showing two. Then what is your quality of the source code? It is showing mine is only 40%. This need to fix it because the quality of the source code is exceeds 80%. So and my duplicate having only three. It is under three. It is only two lines. So it is shown two lines like that. And what is the code like it is a Java or Python code like is shown. This how it will show in SonarQube dashboard. Thanks for joining.